Now, I was able to pass phase 2, also known as the verification stage of the FTMO 100K challenge. And here's the account dashboard showing you that I passed it within the 7 days. And you can see the graph showing that I got into profit, made a loss, and then I was able to hit that 5% profit target that FTMO has. And it's a little easier as it's only 5% profit target in comparison to phase 1, which is 10%. So it is exactly half of what is required for phase 1. You can see my average loss, which was that one loss, it was a 1%. So during my challenge stage, I tend to risk 1%. See the trades I took. So 3 winning trades, and then obviously that losing trade on EU. So very happy about this. And I'll also show you a screenshot of the certificate I got from FTMO showing that I passed the verification stage. So I'll head on to TradingView to show you those winning trades that I took that got me over the line to pass phase 2. So this was a long position I took on EU. It is essentially a flag entry, a continuation of the trend. So let me take the backtesting tool and show you my thought process at the time. So I'd seen price almost break and retrace to the upside, but then we got this huge impulse with these 2 bullish candles, and we also had this large wick rejection. So that's indicating to me that we're having a bit of extra momentum to the upside, and as you can see, it took out this level of liquidity as well. So that gave me a little bit of confirmation that we are getting that momentum to the upside. As we continue, we do get a little bit of a slowdown, but for me, I'm still seeing that momentum to the upside. Now we get this bearish candle, but there wasn't a real shift in momentum down, which is showing me that we might push to the downside. So at this point, I was interested in continuations of the trend. We didn't get any shift in momentum with these bearish candles. And then we got this bullish candle, which is a signal for the flag entry and to take long positions. So I was happy to take this position, entered into the market, got into some drawdown, nearly hit my stop loss actually, and we did push up. And because we were coming towards the end of Friday, I personally don't like to hold my trades over the weekend, as you never know what could happen in the market when it opens. So I actually closed my position at this level over here, this bearish candle over here. So it was a clean 2.5% trade, which I was very happy to achieve, which is half of what the FTMO phase 2 requirement is. So this was actually 2 back-to-back positions I took on AU, 2 liquidity sweep entries. One was a little bit more riskier than the other, but these were 2 trades that got me over the line. So let me take the back testing tool and share my thought process. So over here, we have this large wick. I don't know if you can see over here, which indicated to me that we are more likely to get a range because there is that indecision in the market. So price actually started to range between that candle's high and low. So when I see a large range like this, I see that there is liquidity above and below. So I'm seeing what happens when we enter those areas of liquidity. So price actually started to move up, no shift in momentum, and then price actually gave us an evening star, which just took out the high of that candle. Now, this was a little bit riskier as I would have liked a little bit more of a push up, but I was willing to be a little bit more aggressive as it was mid-week, and during that time you get a little bit more volume, so and higher probability setups. So I was happy to take that extra risk, And what happened in the end was we actually moved down, pushed up a little bit, and we ended up hitting the profit target, which was that 3%. Now, what happened after was very interesting. We actually got this large bullish candle. And as we know, with the range, we have liquidity sitting above and below. And we can actually see that with this bearish candle, it took out this low, and then it pushed up aggressively to the upside. So this for me was an opportunity to take a long position. So I actually ended up taking a long position here. This was more high probability for me. And we ended up hitting the profit target, which was that 3%. So with these two winning trades, it got me over the line to reach that phase 2 profit target that FTMO has, and was very happy about these trades and passing phase 2 of the FTMO challenge. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and are enjoying seeing what's been happening with my trading journey. As you guys know, I was trading 7 figures in prop firm capital, but lost it due to the prop firms I was trading with closing down. So since the start of the year, it's been my goal to rebuild that prop firm capital. So stay tuned to see the journey to get back to that. And if you are on a similar journey, maybe you have a smaller goal, maybe you have a larger goal, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd be very interested to hear what's been going on with your trading journey. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you smash your trading goals. See you guys.